Another way to cook eggs is to poach them. And poaching them, we put them in water that's just underneath the boiling point. When we open up eggs, perhaps you noticed when we did the fried eggs how the white kind of spread. And that creates a big problem in poached eggs because it spreads out into the water and we seem to lose a lot of egg. Now, to partially control this at least, if we put a bit of vinegar, oops, that'll do, a little more than I intended, but that won't matter. Put vinegar into the water, that may help it from spreading. Now our water is just under the boiling point. We'll very carefully drop our egg in. Now you can see the white that's spreading around. That actually is an indication of how fresh the egg is. When you have very fresh eggs, they don't spread like that at all. The white sits right up. But you practically have to buy them from the local farmer who grows eggs. Get them practically out from underneath the hen in order to have that happen. So we'll just let them cook, put the lid on so that we can cook the top. Lots of ways that we can serve eggs. Just put, if we like, baste them just to cover the top. All right, those are about ready to come out. Now the fun begins. I've got two tools we can use. This one, if it happens to be a slot, I can put it in here, and if I'm lucky, the water will drain out from underneath of it. And if I'm really lucky, which I seem to be today, it hasn't slid off the lifter. If you have a slotted spoon, that will just slip under the egg as neat as anything. Drain the water out of it, and you don't run that risk of losing your egg. This one's going to be 2 poached eggs on toast.